Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Today I am giving you ideas about black nail polish. Black nails and nail polish designs are very pretty and very elegant designs you can pick from these videos. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and share my videos. Thank you. Black nail polish can be a versatile and stylish choice for creating various designs. Here are a few popular black nail polish designs. Classic black, a simple and elegant look that involves applying a solid coat of the black nail polish to all nails. This design is timeless and can be paired with any outfit. French tip, a twist on the traditional French manicure where the tips of the nails are painted black instead of the usual white. They gives your nails a bold look. Matte black, apply a matte top coat over black nail polish for a choice and sophisticated finish. The matte texture adds a unique touch to your nails and looks particularly striking with longer nails. Black and gold accent, paint your nails black and added gold accents or embellishment like strips, dots, or even nails art stickers. The combination of the black and gold creates a glamorous and eye-catching designs. These are all very elegant designs for you. Pick many more designs and apply on your nails. Black and glittering color. Apply the black nail polish as the base color and add a touch of glitter to one or the more nails. This design adds sparkle and dimensions to your nails while maintaining the overall elegance of the black polish. Negative space. Create a trendy negative space design. By these ideas in these videos you can achieve many more different ideas about black nail polish. If you like my video, then pick many different ideas and apply on your nails and enhance your beauty. Thank you.